Guys, this our chat. Bleach soup. Are you wanna drink that? This our guys. Gravy. This a gravy? We no want to lick. Charming, this a oh, pumpkin water no have sense. Because me just still go get out, you know. We no have sense, man. A pumpkin water. This a pumpkin rice, dirty water. Guys, don't move. Guys, move that way, Don't move. Guys, don't move, me say move. Me nah do it, me nah look with phone. Me nah do it, me nah have a look with phone. Next thing you know, me gonna do it and me always see be ink on the screen. Me nah do that one day. Me nah do it, chat. But this a pumpkin water and this hour. This is what? Let me see it look by the screen. Why it looks so like it not red? This hour, guys. Stew peas and what kind of meat in there? What kind of meat in there? You see who gets the meat when in a pot get food. Alright, somebody get beef already. Beef and what they in a pot? Alright, and chicken foot. You know I learn how to you go jamal. So instead of food and no chat, it don't cook fast, it not take long because the pumpkin boil already, them pressure already, just the rice for go in the pot and the seasoning to go in the pot here. And then it done, we just watch it pot them and cook till it done. I make some veg though because to that Sunday I don't know anything go. You have to give God thanks to you start the new week, you know. This is the new week in a chat. The first day in a new week, you know. And everybody live this that day. So we'll look for some stew peas. We never want to rice and peas today because yesterday we ate rice and peas. And we say, you know what? Pumpkin rice and stew peas. Guys, tomato for going in the pot. Tomato for going in the pot. No. Why? Why not for going in? I'm gonna take out one. I'm take out one tomato. Why not for going there? Why not for going in the chat? It'll cook how you cook. You can't ask member everybody cook different. Nothing's too clear. Scary. Scary. Them say they miss you. No, I'm not saying come out no, I just say miss you. Are you now come on live, you know? Cause right now the people that see me more than you, you know. Guys, who come on live more often? Who want to see more often for live chat? Talk the truth to God love. Yeah, me I tell you, me know me. All last year on me.